Hello everybody, myself Shailesh Jain. Hello everybody, my name is Shailesh Jain and today I am presenting the Code Basics Challenge 9 project, analyze promotions and provide tangible insights to the sales director, which deadline is on March 5, 2024 and it's an retail industry project. So let's move forward to the project and also I give a special thanks to Code Basics teams and Dhaval Patel sir for giving such good projects challenges to us. So here is my presentation. So the presentation's topic is AtliQ Mart and the domain of the project is FNCG. The tools I used for the project is MySQL, Power BI, and for presentation I used Canvas. The problem statement of the problem states that there's a giant called AtliQ Mart, which has 50 supermarkets in southern region of India. They have 50 stores with a massive promotions during Diwali and Sankranti, Diwali in 2023 and Sankranti in 2024 of AtliQ branded products. Now, the sales director wanted to understand which promotion did well and which did not, so they can move forward for the decisions for their next promotional based. So, the sales director Bruce Hariali wanted his immediately, but the analytics manager Tony is engaged on critical manager. So, Tony decides to give these projects to Peter Pandey, who is curious data analyst. So I will be a Peter Pandey for this project of AtliQ Mart. Since these insights will be directly reported to the sales director, Tony also provided some notes to Peter Pandey to support his works. So let's move forward. So the data contains four tables, that is dimensional campaigns, fact events, dimensional products, and dimension stores. Ad hoc analysis, there are in total 5 ad hoc analysis. So starting by the first, it states that provide a list of product with a base price greater than 500 and which is prototype of buy one get one free. So the query of MySQL is like this, and the output we get from this is waterproof immersion rod and double bedsheet rod. Water immersion rod is 1020 rupees and immersion rod is 1119 rupees. Second, ad hoc analysis generate a report that provides an overview of number of stores in each city. So we got the output of Bangalore. We can see that in this graph we can clearly see Bangalore is the leading one, which have 10 stores in the city. Chennai has 8, followed by Hyderabad 7, Visakhapatnam, then followed by 5 the list are Vijayawada and Trivandrum, which consists of 2 stores. For moving forward, the third ad hoc analysis is generate a report that displays each campaign along with the total revenue generated before and after the campaign. So the query looks like this. I used common table expression with select and from clause. So we can see that the values are in millions. The campaign name was Sankranti and Diwali. Total revenue before promotion and after are 58.13 million before and after 140.40 millions for Sankranti, and Diwali it is 82.57 million before and after 207.46 million for Diwali. So we can see that by this we can conclude that both the campaign has given a good incremental revenue. Moving forward, ad hoc analysis provide a report that calculates incremental sold quantity, that is ISU percentage, for each category during the Diwali campaign. Additionally, provide ranking for the categories based on their ISU percentage. So we can see that here also I used common table expression in the query. By also I used join function, join class. we can see that the category of home appliances, we can see that in the graph that home appliances have highest ISU percentage by category, followed by combo one, followed by home care, followed by personal care, and lastly the groceries and staples. Ad hoc analysis number 5. Create a report featuring the top 5 products ranked by incremental revenue percentage, IR percentage across all campaigns. The report will provide essential information including product name, category, and IR percentage. So here the query look like this, and the output we got, we can see in that graph that the AtliQ water immersion rod uh, has the highest IR percentage, which means it has given highest revenue, uh, followed by the LED 15-volt bulb, then followed by bedsheet, curtains, and home essential 8 product combo. So we can see that immersion rod immersion waterproof immersion rod is giving good revenue in every terms. We can see that. Now let's move forward to the dashboard. So here is the dashboard. So the first page of dashboard look like this. The dashboard consists of the filter of campaign, filter by city, and here the information gives about revenues and quantity sold or the overall revenue. And in the below the scroll bar which is moving from right to left gives information about each product with their revenues, incremental revenue percentages. So we can see that revenue before campaign started, the revenue was 141 million, the overall, including both Sankranti and Diwali campaign. After revenue, after campaign, it moved up to 348 million. So the revenue difference was 207 million. Revenue difference was almost 147 percentage. Quantity sold before, it was 207k units. After campaign, it's 4 lakh 35,000 units were sold. So there's a huge difference of 2 to 6k. That is almost 108 percentage. Yeah, if we use check via the slices Sankranti, so we can see that the revenue difference is 142%, which is slightly dipped by the overall revenue difference, but the quantity sold gets high. We can see that the overall cost sold difference was 108, but it's 155%. So we can see that the in terms of sales, Sankranti has given outperformance understanding. Let's move to check for Diwali. For Diwali, we can see that the revenue difference percentage is 155%. So it's almost 4 points the above the revenue difference. Overall revenue difference is 147, but on Diwali it increased by 4 points. We can say that, but quantity sold difference is 66%, which is highly low as compared to the overall quantity sold difference, that is 108. So we can conclude that Diwali campaign gives outstanding performance for their revenue generating, while Sankranti campaign gives outstanding performance for their quantity sold. So let's move forward. So it's the first it's the store performance analysis page, where we can see that the first is ISU percentage by store ID and city. We can see that the top store IDs are Store M5S1, STCBE2, STBLR 7, STMDU 0, STCHE 7. There are more followed by them. So we can see that the cities are likely was Mysuru, Coimbatore, Bangalore, Madurai, Chennai, with their ISU percentage in descending orders 139.73 percentage, 138.74 percentage, 136.99 percentage respectively, followed by IR percentage per store ID and city. We can see that the STCH is 7, followed by STBLR 7, STMYS 1, STMD 0, and STBLR 7. The incremental revenue is 184.40%, followed by all the other values. We can see a common value of STMYMS 1 in both in top 5. So we can conclude that so we can con- so we can conclude that this stores gives good ISU percentage simultaneously with good IR percentage. So we can consider this store as the top leading stores for AtliQ Mart, stating in Mysuru. Secondly, we can see that STMD 0 in Madurai and STMD Madurai, which also comes under top 5 in both circumstances. So it can also can be a leading store. And we can see that STCH is 7 and STCH is 7, so it can also be a leading stores. Now the graphs also says the same things. We can see that Madurai is the top leading city which gives highest incremental revenue which is 158.26. Also it gives highest ISU percentage, that is 150.5 58%, followed by Bangalore, Chennai, Vijayawada, Coimbatore, Trivandrum. IR percentage and ISU percentage by store ID. You can see that STCH 7 has highest revenue, incremental revenue, that is 184.14%, followed by STBLR 7, STMY was MYS 1, STMDU 0, followed by all other stores. Moving forward to promotion type analysis. Here we can see that promotion type with IR percentage and ISU percentage. So we can see that buy one get one free and 500 cashbacks are the top two best promotion types. As we can see that their incremental revenue percentage are highest at 267.35 percentage and 183.33 percentage. For similarly in ISU percentage, buy one get one free and 500 cashback, 269.98 percentage, 500 cashback, 183.33 percentage. In both circumstances, these two promotion types giving good revenue and good quantity sold. So we can consider this promotion type enough in our future events or in our future events. Okay. The diagrams says that the buy one get one free promotion types have the longest bar, followed by 500 cashback. We can see that 25% off gets a negative path. It's been from right to left. Similarly, ISU percentage, the same bar is it's looking like similar. BOGF is highest graph, followed by 500 cashback. Uh, 25% off is in negative value. Moving forward to product and category analysis, here we can say that home appliances has the highest revenue, that is 265.21 percentages. Combo 1 followed by the category second, it is 183.33 percentage, followed by home care, that is 181.63 percentage. Also, IR percentage by product, we can see that waterproof immersion rod, as previously we have seen that it is a leading product of AtliQ Mark in these two campaign comprising of both two campaign 266.919 percentage, followed by LED bulb that is 262.98 percentage, followed by double bedsheet curtains and home essential 8 product combos. We can see that by this graph, that's we can first see that this area is Vishakhapatnam, which has a lowest incremental revenue of all products. Followed by we can see that Chennai, which consists of highest incremental revenue in terms of all products. So the graph is looking, the circles are looking, bar charts are looking bigger. We can also see that this Mysuru, which also has the lowest incremental revenue, even so it's looking small. Moving further, we can see that correlation between IR and ISU percentage by product. So we can see that AtliQ waterproof immersion rod, as previously shown many times, it's in the toppest from both end. In last, we can see that AtliQ scrubs points for dishwash. It consists of minus values in both terms. So we can also see that there are, yeah, only one product is there which has minus which has low revenue and low quantity sold after campaign started. So that's all. Now move forward to the data analysis part. What the analysis gave. So we can see that the store performance analysis STMYS1, STCBE2, STBLR7, STMDU0, STCHE7, STPLR0, STPLR6, STCHE4, followed by all these are the top 10 stores for incremental revenue. STCHE7, STBLR7, STMY1, and the other 7 are the top 10 stores by incremental sold units. In both campaigns, Madurai, Bangalore, and Chennai demonstrated outstanding sales and revenue performance. Promotion type analysis. Buy one get one free and 500 cashback are the top two promotion types by incremental revenue. 25%, 50% off are the bottom two promotion types. Buy one get one promotion displays incredible performance followed by 500 cashback. Buy one get one free excels in both incremental revenue and incremental sold unit performance. Product and category analysis, we can see that home appliances show a notable revenue increase of 265.21%, followed by combo 1, that is 183.33%, followed by other categories. Water immersion rod, it's given a significant revenue increase of 266.19%, followed by other products. Extra analysis, we can see that the overall revenue increased by 147 percentage per, and the total quantity sold increased by 108 percentage after the campaign started in Diwali. Revenue surged by 151%, reaching 207 million, outperforming the overall benchmark by 4 points. 4 points means like that the overall revenue was 147% and it gets surged by 151%, so there is a difference of 4 points. Likewise that although the quantity sold increased by 66%, which was highly lowest than the overall sold units, which was 108 percentage, 108%. The Sankranti has 142% revenue. It's slightly different in the overall revenue, but the quantity sold surpassed the benchmark by 155%, as the overall quantity sold was 108%, but the quantity sold in Sankranti was 155%, which is very good. Madurai, Bangalore, Chennai showcased exceptional sales and revenue performance in both campaigns. The recommendations are focused on Madurai, Bengaluru, and Chennai for further sales growth. Focus on their stores, focus on the to top leading products so that these stores get more revenue and more sales in future. Promotion type analysis, we can see that highlight BOGF and 500 cashback promotions in upcoming events or upcoming campaigns so that what number of customer attracts towards these stores and the revenue the revenue and the sales increased. Product and category analysis, BOG align product promotions with BOGF and finds same it's the same thing above one. Extra analysis, we can see that Diwali campaign outperform optimized timing for future campaigns. So next time we can do like that. Ki, in Diwali we can repeat the same campaign but doing changes in the sales performance so that if sales increase the revenue will also increase. Similarly, in next Sankranti campaign we can make some changes in the revenue part so that revenue gets increased. So that's all about the project. Thank you so much for Vijay Dhaval Patel sir and Code Basic teams for giving the good resume project. Thank you so much.